for watching the handsome channel. Today, I will explain how to make salmon chan-chan-yaki. Salmon chan-chan-yaki is a local dish of Hokkaido in Japan. First, spread the oil on a heated iron plate and fry the vegetables. Vegetables can be anything, but potatoes, onions, and cabbage are common. When the vegetables are cooked, line up the salmon fillets. If one side of the salmon fillet is browned, turn it over and bake it again. Then add the seasoning. The seasoning is a mixture of miso, mirin, soup stock, and water. Cover and steam for 5 to 6 minutes. Finally, put the butter on the salmon fillet. It's very delicious. Please make it.